Welcome guys, today I want to show you my favorite free VST plugin for mix and mastering, especially for mastering. So this plugin is Ignite Amps PTEq-X program equalizer PEQ-1A. It's a free VST. It's actually Pultec EQ emulation, free Pultec emulation, and I want to show you why I love it for my mix and mastering, and for even my when I do my tracks. I also use it a lot. All right, so I just found some old mix I done in 2023, and so you can check how this plugin works. I only have FabFilter Pro L on my master channel to bring some volume, to make limiting, and I want to just show you some part of this track without and with my settings I just added here. So check this out. So now it will be without, and look at this. So as you can hear, it's a big difference, because if you, for example, have some very muddy or just unpresent high frequencies in your track, this VST is absolutely amazing to bring some even mid, lows, actually all frequencies you want to add in your track. So I will put another instance of this plugin on this track. I will choose this part and I will click Ctrl and L. So now we will focus just on this part. And what do we have actually here? So this section is responsible for basically for mid frequencies. So you can select which are mid. It's actually low, mid, and mid frequencies. So you can, for example, here you can choose between 200 and 1000. Here is actually you boosting these frequencies. Here what we have, well, you can dip, which means you can cut some frequencies. So for example, very often in the track you can have some muddiness around 300 hertz, so you can make some small dip, or you can just choose whatever you like from these certain frequencies, and you can just cut it. Here what we have is another boost of frequencies. It's 1500, 2000, 3000, 4000, and 5000. So you can add some boost in these frequencies. Here in this section, what we have here, we have low frequencies. So here you can boost low frequencies, and here is attenuation. Attenuation is basically we actually reducing what we actually boost here, and that's why you have this option to get this Pultec EQ curve. So as you can see, that's how Pultec EQ looks like. So here we have a boost, and here there is attenuation, and this attenuation make this boost more smoother. That's why if you want, for example, to boost your for example kick drum, you can use this Pultec EQ and do boost and then small attenuation. The same thing you can see on the high boost and high attenuation. Small self-advertisement: if you want me to do mix and master or mastering of your track, just check out jaralukastudio.com in services and you can just take it, or you can learn how I do mix and master from the beginning to the end in my online course, how to do Goa Trance from start to finish, jaralukastudio.com. All right, so we have this, and this knob is responsible for this knob. So here you actually need to choose your frequencies you want to boost low. That is 20 hertz, 30 hertz, 45 till 150. Here, what we have? Here we boosting high frequencies. And here there is a knob which is responsible for frequencies. So you need to choose. It's between 3000 and 16,000 hertz. And here you have also attenuation. And for example, you can also choose attenuation hertz. So for example, I like to use, when I use, for example, 8, I also setting into 8, and then I do some attenuation. Here, what you have, it's a tube emulation. So it's tube saturation, which will bring you slight compression. We'll get more analog sound, analog warm density. It's very, very nice to get some more analog sound. And here, I forgot about this one. Here you can choose how these frequencies, how this EQ will work. You can set it here, so the sound will be more sharp, and here will be more broad, and here it will be focused into only those frequencies. If you want sharper, you just need to go sharper, or you can just blend it something in between. And here what we have filters. So you can, for example, cut the lowest frequencies. For example, on single track, you can set it like so, for example, and then it will cut the lowest frequencies. But to be honest, I'm not using it at all. And this one is about high frequencies. So I'm not using it at all. And here is very good to change oversampling into two times. So then you will get just better sound. Okay, so let's try and let's do some mixing. So I will again take it from the init preset, so you can see it from the very, very beginning. So now we have something like this. So what we can see, basically, if you're going to do any mastering, any mixing, and this kind of stuff, I really recommend to get FreeVST Vox Span, which is amazing analyzer, and you can see everything what's going on here. So as you can see, I have quite a lot low frequencies, high frequencies. They are okay, but I think they could be a little bit more present. Let's see, I will do something like this. And now let's for example, we're gonna start from high frequencies. All right, so let's check this out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play it. And now look, I will boost it. But this knob is set into 16,000. So it's somewhere here. So we don't want it. It's too high. So that's why we need to check on the analyzer which frequencies actually we want to boost. So check this out. 8,000, you see? So here, let's go and change into 8 and check this out. You see, look at this, look. You can also use it for different frequencies. For example, 3000. So 3000 is here. Maybe you want to boost here. In this area, we have very often snares. But 8000, it's open hat, close hat. And you can also, as I said, attenuate it a little bit. So look, check this out. You can change this attenuation, of course, and see what works. What works well for you. And always try and always do turn off and turn on the plugin. For me, it sounds good. And here I'm gonna show you the sharp and broad, how it sounds. Look at this. So here we have something more subtle. And here's very sharp. I think this setting is okay. And now we can try, for example, to go here in these frequencies. So here we have mid frequencies. And what I found here, I boost 1000. So 1000 is somewhere here. So it's nice mid mostly where we have some leads. In this particular track, there are not so many leads, but for example, in Goa Trance, there is a lot. So here you can boost some leads, for example. Look at this, look. Without, look at this, look. If it's too much, just take it down. Basically, you're supposed to do it in the mix. You shouldn't, trying to fix it during mastering stage. But I'm just showing you on some example of my very old mixes, how you can use it to fix something which you cannot fix during the mix. But mostly remember, try to do it during the mix down stage. All right, so let's come back to it. All right, so now what we're gonna do, I'm going to add somewhere. Look, here we're gonna have 3000. 3000 is here. So I'm going to change this one into 3 and we're gonna boost it a little bit. Look. Or you can try different one. Look, for example, 115. I just want to show you how it works. So for example, here, now I will boost it all the way. And now I'm gonna change these frequencies and then you will see how it works. You see, look at this, look. So this instrument is much more in the front now. Look at this, look. And without, look at this, look. So as you can see, I didn't even add any low frequencies, but we can try to add. So now 20 Hertz is something very, very low. So we don't want it because it's sub frequencies. And our kick is somewhere between 50 or 60 Hertz. So that's why I'm going to change it into 60. And then we can try to boost it. Let's go. So we're gonna do it live. Look at this. and you can also a little bit attenuate it. If I will boost it very much, you will see what happened. Look at this. You see, so you can attenuate what you actually add, and then you will get this amazing Pultec-EQ sound. Let's change it into two times here. Look, without. Okay, we should also take it a little bit down. Okay, it's too much. So let's go into -2. Let's see. You can see now how it sounds. Absolutely amazing. So I only used one VST to do this. And also I need to check how it sounds on my speakers. But as you can hear now, you have comparison when you just, when you just turn it off and turn it on, how it sounds. It's amazing what you can do using only one VST plugin. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to grab this VST. It's a free VST, so you must have it in your VST arsenal. And also, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.